Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to set up the perfect webinar and case study video. What I have is a presentation, basically a presentation where I show people how to go ahead and find winning products as well as how to scale them. You can check it out in the description below. I want to create a webinar that provides value, and then as a result people go through it. The ones who are interested in my one-on-one mentorship program, they could go ahead and apply for that. So that's sort of the plan with the case study video and webinar. And the problem that a lot of people have is when they create webinars, they provide zero value, and those convert the least. So I want to create a webinar where I don't waste people's time, and I'm actually giving them what they came to see, and I'm actually giving them value before I'm being like, yo, if you want to work with me one-on-one, sign up below. That's sort of my ideal, because I've just been through a ton of webinar where they just waste your time with no value whatsoever, and they upsell your course in the very end. And that's the complete opposite of what I'm planning to do. I'm going to be showing you guys the formula that I use to create my webinar. Here's a basically outline. What I do is I start with the tagline. The tagline is very, very important. So I'll show you my tagline. How would you like to find 1, 2, 3, even 5 new winning products every single month on demand with predictability? That's my tagline. Then I write who's this for. I then tell the people I'm looking for. This is for people who already have dropshipping stores and have e-commerce expert, because I'm sort of weeding out the people that are beginners. I don't really want to work one-on-one with beginners, as well as they won't get the value and knowledge I'm going to be providing on this case study video. Who I am, brief outline, because I'm going to be running these ads to cold traffic where they have no idea who I am. So it's going to be sent to cold traffic, so I need to give them an update of who I am, what I'm going to show them today, let them know what they're going to see and or the value that I'm going to give to them, how valuable it is, and the results and testimonials from it. So you want to put in testimonials to show that you're credible, show that they are listening to someone with credibility, and these strategies that are being taught have been proven to work. And then what I do is I split it into 3. Valuable information 1, 2, and 3. And after each one, I follow up with a testimonial to further reaffirm that the strategy does work with the success stories and results I have gotten. Then I sum up all the 3 points and the results it led to. Then I talk about how they could go ahead and take the knowledge they learned. So I'm actually providing valuable knowledge, and they could just leave. They could just leave right there, right there. But if they want to sort of work with me and save that 1 to 2 years that they would have to spend testing, spending money just like I did, they can go ahead and sign up below, fill out the survey, and get a free strategy session with me. So not only am I saying, yo, I gave you everything, you can totally leave and I'm not asking for anything in return, but those who are interested in something more, I'm going to give you a free strategy session. So it's just value stacking on top of value, and that's sort of the plan on creating a successful webinar and case study video, which a lot of people aren't doing nowadays. Everyone's setting up crappy webinars that have zero to no value, and that's why I'm trying to do something different. And then I talk about all the success stories, all the students that work for me, and then I talk about who I'm looking for. So I flip it back on the person rather than trying to explain why they should reach out to me for help. I'm saying, yo, why should you work with me? Because my time is valuable. I have a ton of students that want to work with me. These are the criteria for what I'm looking for. I don't want to work with anybody. And then I say, check out the survey below. And then I say, if they go through the survey and everything's a good fit, they meet the criteria, then my team will go ahead and schedule a free strategy session with them, where I jump on a call where I see if there's anything I could do to help them. And yeah, that's the whole webinar funnel that I have, and I just gave it away for you guys for free. But I've been really enjoying taking you guys on my entrepreneurial journey and just sharing everything I've been doing and learning, just because I'm growing and so are my audience, and I don't want to just plateau and always be giving dropshipping content. I want to diversify. I want to show you guys what I'm doing every single day, and that's sort of the goal of this content. So if you guys have been enjoying it, be sure to leave a like below. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, drop it in the comments below, slide in my DMs. I've been answering everyone. If you want to work with me one-on-one to scale your business, sign up for the mentorship application linked in the description below. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, because I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Yeah, yeah.